Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about the basics of chemistry part 3 quiz multiple choice questions along with the answers. And if you go through the video without skipping, you will be benefited by knowing 30 questions. Some of the people have done the mistakes. Please go through the video and rectify the mistakes. The first question, which of the following is symbol for neon? It is very easy, direct bit. Symbol for neon is Na. And coming to the second question, which of the following are true? They are asking which of the following are true. A, valency will depend on the number of protons in the nucleus. B, valency will depend on the total number of electrons present in the atom. And C, valency will depend on the number of valence electrons in an atom, both A and B. Valency will depend on the number of valence electrons. We have already seen the correct answer is C. And third question, what is the valency exhibited by Fe in Fe2O3? We have already found it out. 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So what is the valency exhibited by iron in Fe2O3 plus 3. Okay. Fourth one, valency of silver plus 2 and plus 1. We have to check it out. In the first example, you see, you can observe AgO. That means X minus 2 equal to 0. That means X equal to 2. That is plus 2. And Ag2O. 2x minus 2 equal to, in case of Ag2O, we will see Ag2O, 2x minus 2 equal to 0, 2x equal to 2, x equal to 1. So the correct answer is A. Actually, Ag2O, AgO means plus 1 and plus 2 it will come. AgCl, AgCl2, if you calculate, plus 1 and plus 2 will come. Here they are asking plus 2 and plus 1. So answer is for fourth one is A. Fifth question, the charge on the neutral compound. As the question is saying, the answer 0 charge. Okay. Coming to the next question, that is sixth question. Formula of potassium ferricyanide. K3FeCN6. If you calculate, the iron oxidation or the valency will come plus 3. So the answer is K3FeCN6. Seventh question, the charge of negative radical in calcium phosphate. First of all, you have to write what is calcium phosphate. Ca3PO4 taken twice. Okay, what is the radical here? Phosphate. What is the charge on this? PO4 minus 3. So what is the answer for this question? Minus 3. And coming to the eighth question, compound radical among the following: oxide, peroxide, superoxide, none. Answer is none, because nothing is compound radical here. All are simple radical, only oxygen. Ninth question, charge on oxide and superoxide radicals respectively. What is oxide ion? O minus 2. What is superoxide ion? O2 minus. So what is the charges? Minus 2 and minus 1. Answer is the C option, that is minus 2 and minus 1. 10th one, formula of superoxide. Formula of superoxide is O2 minus. Formula of potassium permanganate. We have already seen in explanatory part, KMnO4. Valency of manganese in permanganate ion plus 7. Okay. 13th question, dichromate ion or radical among the following. K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate, I already told you. So what is dichromate ion? Cr2O7 minus 2. Okay. And the valency of chromium in potassium dichromate, it is also we have calculated, that is plus 6. Coming to the next question, that is 15th question. Formula of calcium sulfate. Very easy questions I have given in this part of the quiz. 16th question. Formula of calcium nitrate. CaNO3 taken twice. This is the answer. Coming to 17th question. Bivalent ions among the following. All are bivalent. Mg plus 2, Ca plus 2, Ca plus 2, Mg plus 2, strontium plus 2. So all are correct. Okay. 18th one. Valency of carbon in methane. What is the formula? First of all, if you write, you can understand. It is not a big issue. How many number of hydrogens are combined with one carbon? 4. So the answer is 4. Okay, like that you need to consider. Nitrite and nitrate ions respectively. Nitrate NO2 minus, nitrate NO3 minus. Okay. 20th question. Phosphate and phosphite ions. Direct questions only. Phosphate PO4 minus 3 and phosphite PO3 minus 3. Okay. 21st question. Formula of sodium peroxide. Sodium peroxide. Sodium superoxide. What is the answer here? NaO2. Okay. 22nd. Valency of phosphorus in PCl3 and PCl5. 3 and 5. Very easy. If you go through the video previously, you will be able to write all the answers without any mistakes. Okay. Latin name of gold. Latin name of gold is aurum. Next. 24th question. The symbol of cobalt. CO. Because in this, why it is not CO means second letter always should be small letter, lower case. I already discussed that one also. So the correct answer is C option, that is CO. Capital C, small o. 25th question. The formula of ammonium sulfate. We have seen this also. NH4 taken twice, SO4. We have done this also. Valency of nitrogen in ammonia. Again very easy. NH3. Valency is 3. 27. Formula of cuprous and cupric oxides. Oxides they are asking. First of all, you observe what is cuprous. Cu plus 1 plus 2. Where it is exhibiting plus 1 and plus 2, you check it. Here you check it. It will come correctly in case of C option, that is Cu2O and CuO. So the correct answer is C option, Cu2O, CuO. 28th question. Formula of aluminium hydroxide. AlOH thrice is the correct answer. Okay. 29th question. Formula of ferric chloride. Ferric, Fe plus 3. Answer is FeCl3. And the last question, very easy question. Formula of magnesium carbonate and bicarbonate respectively are MgCO3, MgHCO3 taken twice is the answer. Okay. We have completed so far 30 questions. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. If you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and encourage me. Okay, that's all for today. We will meet in another video. Bye bye all of you.